How much should you really spend on an ant killer? Cheap ones seem to do nothing, but the expensive ones don't always work either. And honestly, most of them look the same bait stations, same promises. But here's what most people don't realize. The real difference isn't price or packaging, it's how they actually kill the colony. Product number 1: Stem Liquid Ant Baits. First up, the Stem Liquid Ant Baits. This one caught my eye because it's super affordable at just $7.60 and comes with 4 spill-proof bait stations. If you want a no-mess, easy-to-use solution that targets the entire colony, not just the ants you see, this is worth a serious look. It uses a fast-attracting liquid that worker ants carry back to the queen, and you'll start seeing results in as little as 24 hours. The clear design makes it easy to monitor how much bait is left, and the spill-proof stations mean no sticky cleanup if they get knocked over. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most ant sprays only kill on contact, but this one wipes out the nest by letting the ants do the work. It's designed for indoor use and works on common household ants, just not carpenter, fire, or pharaoh ants. Now some people might be turned off by the fact that it doesn't work on fire ants, which can be a big problem in certain areas. Here's the thing though, if you're dealing with regular sugar ants in your kitchen, this is more than enough. And at this price, it's a low-risk try. This is perfect for you if you've got a small indoor infestation and want something simple and safe around kids or pets. Skip this one if you're battling fire ants or need outdoor coverage. For the price and performance, it's solid value. Product number 2: Maggie's Farm No Spill Bundle. Now, if Stem's single pack felt a little limited, Maggie's Farm No Spill Ant Kill Bait Stations bundle might be more your speed. This one's pricier at $24.10, but you get 4 boxes of bait stations, so 16 total. That's a lot of firepower. If you want long-term protection or you're dealing with multiple entry points, this bundle makes sense. It uses a gel-based bait with borax, a naturally derived ingredient that's effective but still safe when used correctly. The design lets worker ants take the bait back to the nest, killing the colony from the inside. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having extra stations means you can place them in every corner, under sinks, behind appliances, along baseboards without worrying about running out. And because it's gel, it stays moist longer than some liquid baits. The downside: at nearly $25, it's a bigger upfront cost, and if you only have a small problem, it might be overkill. Here's the thing though, if you've tried cheaper options and they didn't work, this extra coverage could be exactly what you need. This is perfect for you if you've got a persistent ant problem or multiple rooms affected. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only see a few ants here and there. It's great value if you need quantity and reliability. Product number 3: TRRO Ant and Roach Bait T360. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for mixed pest problems: the TRRO Ant and Roach Bait T360. This one's interesting because it doesn't just target ants, it also kills roaches and silverfish. If you want one bait station that handles multiple pests, this is a smart pick. It uses a dual-action formula, a liquid for sweet-eating ants and a protein-based paste for roaches. The twist tab design keeps the bait fresh until you're ready to use it, which means no wasted product. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Many homes have more than one pest issue, and using separate products gets messy and expensive. With TRRO, you place one station and cover multiple threats. It's also ready to use, no mixing, no spills. Now some people complain that the roach killing effect takes longer than expected. Here's the thing though, roaches are stubborn and no bait works overnight, but for ants this stuff is fast. This is perfect for you if you're seeing both ants and roaches, especially in kitchens or basements. Skip this one if you only care about ants and want the fastest possible results. It's a versatile tool, not a one-trick pony. Product number 4: TRRO Liquid Ant Killer II 2-Pack. Now, if you like the TRRO brand but want something more focused, check out the TRRO Liquid Ant Killer II in the 2-pack. This is pure liquid ant bait, no roaches, no extras, just ants. If you want a proven, no-nonsense ant killer from a trusted brand, this is it. Each bottle treats multiple stations, so you can refill or customize your setup. The active ingredient is sodium borate, which ants carry back to the colony. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Sometimes less is more. If you don't have roaches, why pay for a multi-pest formula? This lets you target ants with precision. It's also easy to place along trails or near entry points. The downside, you have to set up your own bait stations or use refillable ones, which adds a small step. Here's the thing though, if you already have stations or don't mind the extra minute, this gives you more control and lasts longer. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility and don't mind a tiny bit of setup. Skip this one if you want something completely ready to go. It's excellent value for the coverage you get. Product number 5, Fertilome Fire Ant Killer. Finally, if you're dealing with fire ants, especially outdoors, this one's for you, the Fertilome LB Fire Ant Killer. This is a granular formula designed to kill the queen and collapse the entire mound. If you want serious outdoor fire ant control, this is one of the few products that actually works on these aggressive pests. You sprinkle it around the mound, and within days, the colony collapses. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Fire ants aren't just annoying, they're dangerous, especially to kids and pets. Most indoor baits won't touch them, but this one does. It's also easy to apply and covers a large area. Now, some people are wary because it's made in China and lacks detailed ingredient transparency. Here's the thing though, it's EPA registered and widely used in southern states where fire ants are rampant. Just follow the instructions carefully. This is perfect for you if you've got fire ant mounds in your yard. Skip this one if you only have indoor ants or prefer liquid baits. For outdoor fire ant problems, it's one of the best tools you can get. So which one should you pick? If it's just a few indoor ants, go with STEM or TERRO liquid. Need multi-pest control? TERRO T360 is your best bet. Got a big infestation or multiple rooms? Maggie's Farm Bundle gives you coverage. And if fire ants are taking over your yard, Fertilome is the only one that really works. No single product fits everyone, but now you know which one fits you.